Hello, madam. I want to know that. How do I connect to my HP Smart to HP printer?
Don't worry, I will show you the steps. To connect your HP Smart app to your HP printer, you can follow these steps. 1. Make sure your printer is turned on and connected to your wireless network. 2. Download and install the HP Smart app on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play Store. 3. Open the HP Smart app and tap the plus sign, plus, to add your printer. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer to the app. 5. Once your printer is connected, you can start using the HP Smart app to print, scan, and manage your printer settings. Please note that the specific steps may vary depending on your printer model and mobile device. If you encounter any issues during the setup process, you can refer to the HP Smart App Help Center or contact HP support for assistance.